Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore investment goals with goal-based investing on Chase, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Chase account. Navigate to the investing section of the website or app. Look for the option labeled Goal-Based Investing. Click on this option to access the goal-based investing tools. Identify the specific investment goals you want to restore. These might include retirement savings, buying a home, or funding education. Select the desired goal that best matches your investment objective. Review your current investment portfolio and how it aligns with your chosen goal. If necessary, make adjustments to your portfolio to align it with your goal. Consider setting a target timeline for achieving this goal. This timeline will help dictate your investment strategy. Next, determine the total amount you wish to invest towards your goal. Chase may provide calculators to help estimate your potential returns. Using these tools, assess the risk levels associated with your investment options. Choose investments that fit your risk tolerance and time horizon. Once suitable investments are identified, allocate your funds accordingly. Monitor your investments regularly through the Chase platform. Adjust your strategy if necessary based on market conditions or personal circumstances. Finally, regularly review your progress towards the goal you set. Make sure to stay on track with any updates or changes in your financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.